What is up, everyone? So I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the Water Lily Bridge. I told you earlier, like probably last week or maybe not even that long ago, there was something coming at the end of this month that I was excited about. I have been working on a website where we are going to offer some canvas prints, like the prints that you throw up on the wall. We're going to be having a little store that you'll be able to check those out if you want to be able to check out some of those pictures, and it'll just be pictures of local areas like the squares or the neighborhoods, some wildlife, things like that we thought you might be interested in. Let me know what you think in the comments about that. Maybe you're looking forward to it, maybe you're not, but either way I'd like to know, so leave those in the comments. We will check out Meggison Road. We're gonna look at Water Lily Bridge just west of Meggison Road, north of Water Lily, which we haven't really looked at in a long time. Then we're going to see the progress of the Water Lily Bridge. Let's get at it. Alright, so we're starting at the corner of Meggison and 44, Highway 44. I think they call it Highway 44. Anyways, that's where we're starting. We're headed straight south here along Meggison. And the sun was setting, so you're going to get to see some kind of good, like really nice lighting on some of these areas. One thing that I found interesting about Meggison, I just found this out, is that Meggison Road is the most expensive project for roads in Sumter County, and that's according to villagesnews.com. They said that Sumter County is actually paying almost $50 million for projects in this new area, the Southern Oaks area, and Meggison is about 60% of that total cost. So the Sumter County taxpayers, which I assume most of you or some of you are bearing quite a bit of that tax burden as this road gets done. A lot of their projects come in under budget, but yeah, quite a bit of money going into these projects over here. Still not building any houses in this area. If you wanted to check out, they are building in the St. Catherine area. That's why they're not building in this area, obviously. If you want to check that out, that video is linked here. Lake Okahumpka right there on your left. A lot of water retention ponds are already put in or being put in. They're doing a lot of the landscaping down around here. And then we're going to take a look at the Water Lily Bridge. So the Water Lily Bridge is supposed to be coming up next month. They're supposed to be finishing it off. And that's going to be a golf cart bridge only, no vehicle traffic. But the great news about that is that finally DeLuna, this whole southern area, will be connected by a golf cart path instead of having to do vehicle traffic to go up to Brownwood Square and those places. I know there's a lot of people that are looking forward to that. The Magnolia Plaza is also going to be up and running here shortly within the next month. They're saying Publix should be opening next month, which we have a video on that also, which I will link. And this area here, so you can see the Water Lily Bridge. They have the approach and exit into the DeLuna area. The DeLuna area is that area on the right there. The other thing about the DeLuna area is they're making a DeLuna West, which is, we just took a look at that the other day also, but they're not really doing a whole lot other than pushing dirt around in there. Now we're looking straight toward the Hawkins St. Catherine area, way up there in the distance. This road and the golf cart path is open now. All of it's open. I did notice today when I drove down it, there was a lot more traffic. It's still not high traffic area, but there is more traffic than what was there before. And then you can see they're putting in some of this stuff. Something I did notice along Meggison when we were driving on the golf cart path is there's a road about halfway down here between here and Hawkins there's like a little road that turns toward the turnpike and then obviously stops. So I don't know if they're planning another bridge in that area or what's going to go in that area. If you do know, please let me know in the comments. But I thought it was interesting because, and that's actually what I was looking for here. I was going to show it to you. But there's a road that cuts off of Meggison toward the turnpike and the DeLuna, Marsh Bend area, all of that. You can see the sunset coming down. We're going to turn around and we're going to go west now and take a look at Meggison to the west side, all the way up to the north. You can see right there is West DeLuna, which is being built now. And then the opposite side of the Water Lily Bridge. Up here in the top right, this is where Meggison is actually, this Meggison area is expanding out. They've pushed it a little more west than what I've seen in the past. So I thought that was interesting. And we're going to take a closer look here as we fly that way. A lot more ground has been pushed around. This swamp area here, I think they're probably not going to touch, but there's going to be an access road from Meggison to 301, which is this dirt road here that you see this car driving down. I think this is going to go straight to 301. This is where like the 301 goes underneath the turnpike where you can get access onto the turnpike. So I believe this road is going to be that access road off the turnpike into the villages from that point. And then that spot in the left where you see all the dirt, that's the West DeLuna that I was talking about. This area to your right goes all the way over to Spar. And by Spar I mean the it's kind of like Tractor Supply or Rural King. A lot of people get their dog food there, animal food. Back in the day when Brownwood wasn't there, everybody was going there for horse feed and cow feed and all that kind of stuff. Fence panels. And this is west of Meggison now, this whole area here. And this is what I was talking about, is like all being moved around and smoothed out. And I didn't know it was this big. And it probably wasn't this big before not too long ago. So another area that they're working on. Straight in front of us now is Brownwood, and we're going to turn right back north and head that way. This area is going to be pretty crazy once they open up that golf cart path across Water Lily Bridge, because you're going to get a lot more golf cart traffic in this area. And it's going to be a straight shot for people living in DeLuna to go right into Brownwood Square for live entertainment and all the restaurants and businesses that are in that square. You can see the big dirt mounds, and they're actually working on this area. I've been seeing quite a few dump trucks in this area dropping dirt. So they're figuring out these water retention ponds, and like I've talked about before, that's always the first thing that they complete when they complete a new area. And then they get all the water piping done so they can move the water in and out. Such a big area, and it's really nice with the lake right there. I'm not sure what they're going to do about bug control, especially in the spring and summer times when the bugs are thick coming off of the lake. But they usually take care of things in the villages, so I don't think they'll have any problems with that. You can see how massive the villages are. That housing development that's closest to us, that's not the villages, but everything in that top left screen is the villages right there. So, and it goes as far as you can see on this video. Hopefully you all liked the video. If you did, as always, hit that like button. Leave us some comments in the comments below. I always look forward to reading them. And as always, we will see you in the next one.